Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Ventline 12 volt, 20 inch wide Pinnacle Ducted RV Range Hood with the LED light. Now this will let you upgrade your RV kitchen using this nice contemporary low profile range hood. Now this is designed for 12 inch deep cabinets, and the mounting distance, it needs to be at least 12 inches above the stove when it's mounted. This is a ducted range hood. Let me turn it to the back so you can see the duct right back here. And this must be connected to a duct with pipes that'll carry the particles away from the kitchen to the outdoors. You can see it as a rear outlet, releases any steam or odors outside the RV. The horizontal vent opening on this duct is about 9 5/8 inches wide, about 3 inches tall. Now this is what will make it different from the ductless range hoods that we also sell. The ductless hoods will just recirculate through a charcoal filter and then back into the kitchen. So if you choose to go with this ducted hood, you'll need to have the proper ducts installed to move the dirty air and particles out of the kitchen completely. This does use a nice efficient single speed fan that'll pull the air through the filter and vent it out. You can see the filter right underneath here is a nice mesh filter. It's removable for easy cleaning or replacement. So I'm going to zoom in and show you how they make it pretty simple. You can see it's held on by 3 hooks right here, and then a latch. If you release that latch, that'll release the filter and just slide it out. You can see the filter comes out, you can clean it or replace it, and then your fan's right in there. And then if you go to put your filter back on there after it's clean or it's a new one, you just slide it up under those hooks. There's 3 hooks right there. And then take your latch it over there, and it holds it all into place. So it makes it pretty simple to keep it clean. Now the diameter on this filter is about 7 3/16 of an inch. If you notice on the front of this hood, there is 2 rocker switches on the front. It'll operate the fan and the light. And it does use a nice bright 3 LED light right here that'll illuminate the countertop below. Now I am going to hook this up to some power to show you how the fan and the light operates here, but I first want to go through a few more features. It is a nice durable steel construction, has a nice powder coated paint finish to resist scratching and chipping. You can see it is a nice all black color with the stainless steel highlights in the front here. And it is a 2-wire design. You can see they have a black and a white wire, a power and a ground. So this conforms to UL and CSA standards. This part is made in the USA. Voltage, it's 12 volts DC. Give you some dimensions and then we'll hook it up to some power. So if we do the overall width, right at 20 inches wide. Total depth front to back, 18 inches. And the depth, or the height of it, is tallest point is going to be the back, which is 4 3/4 inches tall. So now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and hook up our ground and our power wire. And with those all connected, get our power on. I'll go ahead and show you. We'll first do the light. So you can see when I flip the rocker switch, the 3 LEDs come on. Go ahead and turn off the overhang light. You can see how bright it is. So when it's over your range, those 3 LEDs give a pretty wide, bright area. And again, it's just a rocker switch for on and off. Go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. And then the other one is the fan. You can see that when you click it on, the fan blows out the back. You can actually feel it blowing out the duct in the back here. And then if you turn it off, again, the rocker switch is on and off operation. But that should do it for the review on this Ventline 12 volt, 20 inch wide Pinnacle Ducted RV Range Hood with the LED light.